Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So this is gonna be maybe a little bit more on the short side, but I figured I received some PR. I was going to wait because I'm supposed to be receiving one more, but let's go. So if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and yeah, a little side note, you guys will see two videos using the same outfit and hair because I'm on the road today and I figured to record this on the same day, and you guys will be seeing a collaboration video before this one, possibly before this one. So let's begin. So this is from Far Stackins, even though I don't think this is the same same company name. So let's see if I can open this. Okay. Okay, so this company contacted me. So I'm going to be doing a separate video on trying out these products. But so this is from Blink. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. Let's see what this says. They send a card. Okay. So shop across all our brands in one cart. Get 20% off with code INS20. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I chose the Blink Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. So now supposedly they are the #1 company for the tubing mascara, which I'm not really sure what that means, but this is ideal for sweat, tears, sensitive eyes, oily skin, ultra long wearing, striking length, extreme definition, nourishes and treats your lashes. So I'm excited to try this out. Yeah, and then the next thing is the Willing on the Wall. I think this is eyeliner, pencil, crayon. And this is in the shade, well, it's 47. In Confidential. And then I grabbed the eyebrow mousse, which is 4 benefits in one swipe. It fills, sets, tints, and conditions. Cannot fade, run, or smudge for long-lasting all-day color. It's waterproof, promotes natural-looking color. And this is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, uh, phthalate-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. So that's the picture. So thank you, Blink, um, for sending me PR. I will be trying this out. So go follow me on my TikTok account, guys, because TikTok and my Instagram, because I'll be showing you guys what I think about them, the review there. So yeah. Also, I'll be putting the website down now. You guys saw a video. I'll post the video above here. But this was a big accomplishment or dream of mine. Is obviously for any well-known makeup brands to contact me and add me to their PR list. So you guys saw that Urban Decay added me to their PR list, and I've been waiting. Well, where's the, I don't know. So Urban Decay sent me some more PR. So let's see what this is. Oh, they brought me something so cute. So it says, "Hey bestie, we're sending you a little something to make your day. A smiley. Urban Decay partnered with the Smiley Company to create 2 new mini naked palettes that bring a little happiness when you are glamming for any occasion. Take mucho happy or chill happy with you anywhere you need. Colorful dopamine boost. Don't forget to post. We can't wait to see you on TikTok." Oh, thank you, Urban Decay. So, okay. So they had already sent me, I believe, yeah, the first time they sent me PR was, don't make a mess, was eyeshadow palette. Oh, these are so pretty, like the packaging. Oh my gosh. You know, the best thing of being a content creator, I don't consider myself like a makeup artist, but I love makeup, and anytime I can receive any makeup is well appreciated because I love makeup. Who doesn't love makeup, guys? Okay, so look at this eyeshadow palettes. I don't even know how they look on the inside. Look at this, guys. OMG. Okay. Does it show the name? We can. Okay. So we're gonna go with Naked Mucho Happy. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, So this is what the packaging looks like. Let's see. Ooh, yes. Okay, I remember this one. This one has a pop of blue. So look at this palette, guys. Look at that pop of blue. Let's see. The pop of blue. Okay, so it's more on the sheer side. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, so it's not that dramatic. Okay, I'm excited to try that blue. Oh no. Okay, so the next one is Naked Chill Happy. So let's see. Ooh, so pretty, like holographic. Ooh, this has purple, pinks, reds. So it has 4 shimmers and 2 mattes. You guys see that? I'll definitely be creating a makeup look with this. So thank you, Urban Decay, for the PR makeup, and I can't wait to receive more PR. So yeah, go subscribe, guys, and give me a big thumbs up, and yeah, have a great day.